Welcome to my food vlog. Today we are going to learn how to make homemade bread. Let's get into the recipe. 3 cups of atta. Take it in a clean bowl. Then take baking powder and baking soda. I'm gonna use half tablespoon of baking powder, then half tablespoon of baking soda, and I'm gonna take salt is also half tablespoon. Mix them together just as I am showing you, and keep aside. Take another bowl, add 2 cups of milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use any milk here. Squeeze some lemon or vinegar if you have. Mix it properly and pour this into the atta and mix it until it gets sticky. See, I'll show you right now. Add some oil. I have used 2 tablespoons of oil in this. Take a baking pan, add the batter. I have added a little bit honey and roasted oats over it, and I placed it in the oven, which is around 250 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. So this will be the end result of the homemade wheat bread. Thank you guys. Hope you have enjoyed.